Good evening and welcome to my channel. Sharon here. Today I'm doing a fold over tag for my Christmas journal, and for that I've used some of the ephemera from the Ava Maria kit from Paper Cameo. I've taken these 3 tags and I've also shrunk them down. I can't remember right how much. So first of all, I've got to cut all these out and back them in some tea-dyed paper. Right, this is the next day, and they're all dried and backed and inked. Now you need to do this first so that you can make up this fold over tag. That's going to be my base. That one I won't be using, and these 2 I won't be using, but I'll be using them in the Christmas journal, I would think, at some point. Now, the fold over is folding this over. It's just getting it in the right place that you want, so that it is slightly but tight enough that they meet in the middle, about there. So these can slide in easily. I'm doing it by guesswork. Fold these over. So that slides in there, and then the idea is this slides in here. And what we have to do now is use this and make a couple of, I'll tell you what I will do, because you know me, and getting it in the centre doesn't always work there. So approximately there, and then I'm just going to put a couple of eyelets in. I am not very good with this handheld one. Oh dear. That's it. But I'm pretty useless with the handheld one. Let's just hope I've got that in the right place and I've not squidged it weird. Yes, I did squidge it weird. I knew I would. I am not very good with these handheld ones. I'm much better with the flat one. That's a bit better. And then that one in here. So as I say, this is the next day after the evening, and I said good evening. Oh, I think also it's about the strength. Definitely, as you get older, you lose your strength. That's it. And I'm going to put that in there. And then what I've got is some crinkled seam binding. Yeah. Don't know what I'm doing. Brain's not working. It's my birthday at the end of this week, and I become officially a UK pensioner. And get my UK estate pension. So maybe my brain's not working now. I'm a pensioner. Right, and just keep that as a small bow, like that. And the idea is that this is going in here, like that. And then this can slip into a pocket. I will punch the holes in here as well, but I'm not going to put grommets through, I don't think. Just going to do the holes. So yes, I've decided it's everything now that I do wrong is going to be an excuse because I'm officially a pensioner, which maybe is not a good idea. But that way round, I think. That way round, no, that way round. And have I cut this short enough that long enough that I can get it through? That's another problem. So yeah, it's now 48 hours since I had my COVID jab, and I feel so much better. This definitely knocked me out yesterday and the day before, and it must be something with whatever they're using this time, or it could be the flu strain, because it's there. You have to have the flu because every time it changes, doesn't it, every year? Oops. So maybe it is that as well. Around. Oh dear, it's not poking through. So maybe it was the actual flu jab that made me feel so rough. I don't know. Oops. No, I've gone the wrong way again, haven't I? That way round. So we've got the tie bit at the front. I always get this wrong. Anyway, yeah, it's definitely much better today. Sore arm. The flu jab was the sore arm first of all, but that seems to have died down, and now it's the COVID side that's got the sore arm, but I've had that every time. Okay, I think I need to put some labels on here. Now, I've got some Roxy labels here. I'm thinking something quite large in the middle there. Maybe is a bit too big. Ooh, quite like that. Does it really? Once you start putting that in there. And pull it out. Red goes, doesn't it? Maybe that. It's a sideways one. I don't want a sideways one. I need an upsy-daisy one. They're too small. No, it's definitely one of these. Do you know, I really like the bird one. I think I'm going to go with the bird one. I mean, these tags in their own are nice, aren't they, anyway? Would help if I put it up the right way. Do I put anything else on there? What else have I got? Something like that. Move that up a bit. See, I do like the tag anyway. Something like that. Ooh. That's out of a magazine or something. Might keep that because for Christmas as well. Or something like this. Oh, there's a flower. Strip of this. Oh, quite like that. yeah, I like them. Something like that, and then that can go in there. I think I might put a label on that as well. I think I will edge it. I wasn't going to, but I think I will edge it in a bit of ink, like that. So I think also just that, or another label, or am I going way over the top here? I've got these cute bird labels. No, I think that's it. Yep, I'm going over the top, aren't I? Because this is such a gorgeous tag anyway. But as I want to make it a little bit more Christmassy for the Christmas journal, I will just put this on here. Whoops. So I was mentioning our weather the other day. It's gone cooler, it has, but got up this morning. Beautiful blue sky. Doesn't blue sky make you feel better instead of the grey? One of the reasons I left the UK. I couldn't handle the grey skies. There. So you have on this got quite a lot of journaling spots. There. And then that's in there. Now I want something on here. I'm thinking here maybe a wraparound. No. They're small, they're large. I need the medium ones. Oh dear, that's so cute. Do I need cute though? Probably not. Don't need cute. Ah. Yes, I like that one. Yeah. I've got all my Christmas label books out like these, and I've noticed that I've now not got enough room where I keep them. But I keep thinking another couple of months and they're all going to go away again, aren't they? I'll pull that over a bit further, I think. Is that straight? There. Yes, so they're tending to get a bit packed, and I'm pulling all the labels out, and but I've got 3 Christmas sort of ephemera label holders. I think I'll obviously get rid of shortly. There. There we go. Not doing anything to that tag, it is just too nice. Sometimes you get these tags in these kits or journal cards and they are just too nice to decorate, which I suppose is where the plain ones come in handy. So there we go. And you can use this as well as a journal card, as a journaling spot, not journal card. Put that in there and that in there. Thanks very much for watching. Do you know, I really like that. I'm going to put that in a pocket somewhere, I think. I like the back as well. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It would be great for you to come along with me. Everybody that hits the notification bell and like button, it helps my channel to grow. Thanks very much. Speak to you again soon. Bye. you.